Hi everyone, today in front of me I have the Samsung Galaxy A13 smartphone, and today I wanted to show you the best five features and tips for it. So the first one is the biometrics that you can set up as the unlock method for your device. In order to find them, just go to the settings app, look for the biometrics and security section, and we have two options to choose from, either face recognition or fingerprints, or actually you can just go ahead and set them both up, so both of them will work together. So let's go ahead and start with the face recognition. The phone, in order to set up one of the biometrics as the unlock method for your phone, the device will require you to set up the backup unlock method. You can either choose pattern, PIN, or password. I'll just go with PIN. Gotta contain at least 4 digits. I'll just type 134, press continue, 134, press continue. So it'll bring up to the face recognition setup page. I'll just go ahead and do it off screen real quick. Alright, so we have successfully registered our face. Let's go ahead and try to unlock the phone with it. I'll just block it. And as you can see, the phone has been successfully unlocked with my face. So let me just go ahead and delete the facial data as for right now. And now I'll show how you can set up the fingerprint scanner. Just choose this option. And now you gotta follow the instructions. So basically, place your finger that you want to use on the sensor, and the sensor on this device is located on the power button. And the power button is this one. So just scan it gradually, just by laying your finger on the scanner again and again. I'll just do it this way so it will be easier. You gotta just fill out the entire fingerprint, scan out it real good. Now to finalize, you gotta cover up the whole sensor, and as we can see, the fingerprint has been successfully added. I'll just press on done, lock my phone. And as you can see, the fingerprint sensor, the fingerprint scanner, has successfully worked and unlocked the phone. That was it for the biometrics. Let's move to the next tip, which is the navigation type that you can choose on this device. In order to alter it, you just gotta find the display section in the settings, look for the navigation bar category, and the Samsung Galaxy A13 allows you to choose from 2 navigation type. So you can either choose the buttons, the digital buttons that will appear on the bottom of your screen. So this one opens the recent app, this one gets you to the home screen, and this one just gets you back to the previous page. You can also just change the order if you like. You can also change the order of these buttons if you like. And there is the second type, which is basically the swipe gestures. As you could see, the navigation buttons have been removed. Instead of them, this little gray bar appeared. And in order to get to the home screen, you just swift this bar upwards. In order to open up the recent app, you just slowly drag it upwards. And in order to get back to the previous page, you just swipe right, just like that. I'll get the navigation type back to buttons real quick. So moving on to the next tip, it's the advanced option of this device. You gotta find them in the settings as well. Just look for them. I'll show where they are real quick. Advanced features. And well, the first tip is the side key tip. You can basically reassign what will be opened, what app or what will be done once you double tap on the power button. So right now, if I'll do that, the camera will open, but you can reassign it to any other app. For example, I'll make that double click on the power button will open up the phone. So as you can see right now, we have successfully reassigned the action that is going to be done once we double tap on the power button, or you can basically just disable this option real quick. The next tip is also located in the advanced features of this device, and it is called the motions and gestures. It allows you to set up some behavioral pattern for the cases once you tap, lift, or do any other actions with your phone. So for example, you can turn on the lift to wake. So if your phone is completely blocked, you just gotta lift it up, and as you could see, the lock screen has appeared. You can also turn on these two options, which will turn on or turn off the screen respectively once you double tap on the display of your device. So for example, let me turn off the screen by double tapping on any vacant space I have on my home screen. As you can see, the screen has been locked, or respectively double tap in order to get myself to the home screen of this device. And the final tip for this video is related to the camera settings of the Samsung Galaxy A13 smartphone. So let's go ahead and open them. In order to access the camera settings, you gotta open up the camera itself. Go to the settings, the icon is located on the top left corner of your device. And here we have the watermark section, watermark option, which we gotta press on in order to alter it. And as you can see, as for right now, the watermark is turned on. So each time you make the photo, each time you take any picture or film any video, you will see that this little watermark appears. You can change the text that is going to be shown on the very bottom of this watermark. For example, hard reset, and now it shows the text that you have typed in. Or you can just go ahead and turn off the watermark completely, so will bother you anymore. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you on the next one. Bye bye.